of Jesus, my weakness becomes strong. Every burden falls away. Every night becomes the day at the feet of Jesus. I find amazing grace. Mary sat to hear him speak, finding treasures for the meek. She chose the part that would remain far above the world's acclaim. Blind eyes open, the lame could walk at just the sound of Jesus' voice. Broken hearts were made brand new, simply because they came to you. Every answer, every peace flows from Christ, the Prince of Peace. At the feet of Jesus is where I belong. At the feet of Jesus, my weakness becomes strong. Oh, every burden falls away. Oh, every night becomes the day at the feet of Jesus. I find amazing grace. DJ Jerryman, don't hurry through his presence. Let your worship remain. No golden throne could satisfy like kneeling here with lifted eyes. No earthly crown could ever be greater than his majesty. The one who formed the stars above now welcomes me with perfect love. The hands once pierced now lift me high, teaching my soul how to rely not on my strength, not on my name, but on the power of Calvary's flame. At the feet of Jesus is where I belong. At the feet of Jesus, my weakness becomes strong. Oh, every burden falls away. Every night becomes the day at the feet of Jesus. I find amazing grace. When words are gone, I still can stay, resting there in silent praise. No rushing wind, no hurried sound, only heaven all around. My greatest song needs no applause. My greatest joy is simply yours. To love you more, to know you more, to worship you forevermore. DJ Jerryman, the highest place in the kingdom is still at his feet. If you are weary, come and kneel. There is a love that's truly real. If you are broken, do not hide. There is mercy by his side. Lay down your fears, lay down your pride, lay every question deep inside. For every heart that seeks his face will never leave without his grace. At the feet of Jesus is where I belong. At the feet every breath I have becomes praise. At the feet of Jesus. At the feet of Jesus.
Thank you, Jesus. Welcome aboard, DJ Jerryman live in the studio. It's a moment of intimacy, a moment of worship.
You did not rush me.
Remain connected and remain blessed. Don't forget to like, share, comment as you join. God bless you for being there. DJ Jerryman live in the studio.
Stay gentle. I felt the push to move ahead, to leave the past, to just forget, to act like pain was not still there, to say I'm fine like I don't care. I try to run from what I feel, to skip the time it takes to heal. I thought that time was wasting me, that healing slow was a weakness in me. I thought you wanted quick repair, a stronger heart with no more tears. But in the middle of my pace, I felt a calm, unhurried grace. You did not rush me while I was healing, when I was taking it slow, when every step felt unfamiliar, and I did not know where to go. You did not rush me while I was healing, when I needed time to breathe, when I was learning how to stand again. You stayed right here with me. I thought your will was always fast, to fix the now, erase the past. I thought delay meant I was wrong, that I should already have been strong. But you are patient through the pain, you walk with me through every strain. You do not force a wounded soul, you give it time to become whole. You did not rush me while I was healing, when I was taking it slow, when every step felt unfamiliar, and I did not know where to go. You did not rush me while I was healing, when I needed time to breathe, when I was learning how to stand again. You stayed right here with me. DJ Jerryman. No pressure, just process. There was a moment I slowed down, let go of fear of falling behind. No more racing through my pain, no more hiding in the strain. I chose to feel what I had kept, every wound, every step. And in that place so soft, so real, I felt your presence start to heal. Not overnight, not all at once, but gently through each broken month. You did not rush me while I was healing, when I was taking it slow, when every step felt unfamiliar, and I did not know where to go. You did I know there is no race in finding peace, in finding grace, in finding no timeline set to be restored, no pressure from a loving Lord. And even now as I still mend, you walk with me until the end. DJ Jerryman, still worshiping, still healing. You did not rush me. Whoa. While I was healing. When I was taking it slow. Was taking it slow. When every step felt unfamiliar. Felt unfamiliar. And I did not know. Learning how to stand again, you stayed right here with me. You stayed patient, you stayed near, you healed me without rushing me. New Jerusalem, DJ Jerryman. Let your spirit behold the city whose builder and maker is God. Beyond the clouds, beyond the sun, there is a city like no one, not built by hands, not shaped by time. Its beauty speaks of the divine. Its gates stand wide to welcome home the blood-washed saints before the throne. No walls of fear, no doors of pain, only the glory of His name. My heart has heard its gentle call, the New Jerusalem above them all, the New Jerusalem, the New Jerusalem. The city of the living God, the New Jerusalem, where walks the Holy One. No more sorrow, no more nights, only everlasting, perfect lights, the New Jerusalem. Where every heart finds rest, the streets of gold reflect His face, every corner filled with grace. The river flows so crystal clear, the voice of God is always near. The tree of life stands evergreen, more glorious than I have dreamed. Its leaves proclaim eternal peace, where every burden finds release. The Lamb Himself lights every way. There is no need for night or day. The New Jerusalem, New Jerusalem, the city of the living God, the New Jerusalem, where walks the Holy One. No more sorrow, no more night, only everlasting, perfect life. Hey. New Jerusalem. Worship the Lamb, for he is the light of the city. No temple stands within its walls, for God himself is over all. No sun must rise, no moon must shine, his radiant glory lights all time. The angels sing around the throne, holy, holy, to him alone. The elders bow, their crowns laid down before the King with endless songs. Every nation, every tongue lifts one anthem to the sun. The New Jerusalem, the city of the living God. The New Jerusalem, where walks the Holy One. No more sorrow, no more night, only everlasting perfect light. The New Jerusalem, where every heart finds rest. I long to hear my Savior say, welcome home, you've kept the faith. I long to see his wounded hands, the scars that wrote redemption's plan. I'll fall before his glory's throne and worship Christ forevermore. Every longing will be fulfilled, every promise will stand revealed, every question will fade away as endless worship fills the day. DJ Jerryman, don't trade eternity for what will soon pass away. If you are weary, keep believing. If you are waiting, keep trusting him. This passing world will fade away, but heaven's glory will always stay. Walk with Jesus, hold his hand, he will lead you to that land where every saint will finally see the King of Kings in majesty. The New Jerusalem, the city of the living God. The New Jerusalem, where walks the Holy One. No more sorrow, no more night, only everlasting perfect light. The New Jerusalem, where every heart finds rest. The New Jerusalem, where the Lamb is all. The New Jerusalem, where death can never rise. The New Jerusalem, where grace becomes our song. The New Jerusalem, our everlasting home. Forever with Jesus, forever in glory, forever in worship, forever with the King. The New Jerusalem. Stay gentle when I was hard on myself. DJ Jerryman, softly stay here. I spoke harsh words inside my mind. No grace for me, no mercy kind. I replayed faults again, every mistake, every sin. I judged myself before the day even began. I felt the weight. I set a standard I could not meet, then blamed myself in defeat. I thought I had to push and fight, be harder still to make it right. I thought if I was strict enough, I'd earned my way through being tough, but in the middle of all that strain, I felt a love that broke the chain. You stayed gentle when I was hard on myself, when I gave myself no grace, when I spoke words that tore me down. You met me in that place. Ooh, you stayed gentle when I was hard on myself, when I could not let things go, when I held on to every fault. You loved me even so. Thought your voice would match my tone, that you would speak as I had known, sharp and quick with no delay, to point out all I've thrown away. But you are not the voice of fear. You speak with truth that draws me near. You do not crush a fragile soul. You speak to heal, you make me whole. You stay gentle when I was hard on myself, when I spoke words that tore me down. You met me in that place. Oh, you stay gentle when I was hard on myself, when I could not let things go, when I held on to every fault. You love me even so. DJ Jerryman, no harshness, only mercy. There was a moment I paused the noise, the inner war, the judging voice. I let it rest, I let it fall. No more pressure, no more wall. And in that quiet, soft and deep, I felt your presence move in me. Not loud, not sharp, not filled with blame, but calm and full of steady flame. A voice that said, you're still held close, even in what you hate the most. You stay gentle when I was hard on myself, when I gave myself no grace, when I spoke words that tore me down. You met me in that place. Oh, you stayed gentle when I was hard on myself, when I could not let things go, when I held on to every fault. You love me even so. Now I know your voice is kind. It does not tell or leave behind. It leads me out of guilt and shame and calls me still by name. And even when I start again to fall back into that harsh refrain, I will remember what is true. Your gentleness will pull me through. DJ Jerryman, still worshiping, still learning grace. You stay gentle when I was hard on myself, when I gave myself no grace, when I spoke words that tore me down. You met me in that place. Oh, you stayed gentle when I You love me even so. You stay gentle. You spoke softly. You healed me when I was hard on myself. You were faithful when I was failing. DJ Jerryman, softly stay in this. I started strong. I had the fire, a steady heart, a deep desire. I ran with hope. I stood with faith. I felt alive inside your grace. But somewhere down the road I walked, the strength grew weak, the fire got lost, the songs grew quiet, the steps grew slow. I felt like less of what I know. I tried to rise, but could not stay. I felt myself just fade away. I thought that fate meant the end, that I had lost what I once had in you. But in the dim where I grew small, your light remained above it all. You were faithful when I was failing, when my strength was running dry, when my heart could not keep burning. You were standing by my side. You were faithful when I was failing, when my voice could barely rise, when I felt like I was losing. You were constant in my life. I thought consistency was mine to keep, that if I failed I'd fall too deep. I thought your love would rise and fall with how I stood or gave my all. But you are not a shifting flame. You do not change, you stay the same. You do not leave when I grow weak. You stay with those who cannot speak. You were faithful when I was failing, when my strength was running dry, when my heart could not keep burning. You were standing by my side. You were faithful when I was failing, when my voice could barely rise, when I felt like I was losing. You were constant in my life. DJ Jerryman, no pressure, just truth. There was a moment I stood still. No more striving, no more will. No more trying to prove I can be everything I think I am. I saw myself for what I am. Not strong, not perfect, just in your hand. And in that place so real, so wide, I felt your love come and abide, not based on how I hold my flame, but on the power of your name. You were faithful when I was failing, when my strength was running dry, when my heart could not keep burning. You were standing by my side. You and my voice could barely rise. When I felt like I was losing, you were constant in my life. Now I know, even if I grow weak again, or question why, even if my fire feels low, your faithfulness will always show. And through it all, one thing remains: you never shift, you never change. DJ Jerryman, still worshiping, still kept. You were faithful when I was fading, when my strength was running dry, and my heart could not keep burning. You were standing by my side. You were faithful when I was fading, when my voice could barely rise. When I felt like I was losing, you were constant in my life. You were faithful, you remained, you never changed. When I was fading, heaven, the beautiful home. DJ Jerryman, lift your eyes beyond this world. There is a place beyond the skies where endless joy will never die. No setting sun, no lonely night, only everlasting perfect light. No pain remains, no tears are found, only worship all around. No fear can end.